And we're back to learn JavaScript. Let me show you a couple of iterator methods for maps. They can be used to return key value pairs, so simply the content of a map. To set it up, we'll define a variable, I'll call it output, and we want to store all of that inside of the output and then print it out. I'm going to use a for loop, so for regular brackets, curly brackets, and to print it out I use document.write, and inside I add the output. The output needs to be set to plus equals, and then the different elements, I'll just call that elem. So these are supposed to be the key value pairs, for example, or just the keys or the values. I have to define that inside of the condition for the for loop. So I'll add const elem. And then I add of our map name fruits. And here we add our methods. So fruits.entries, for example, would give us the key value pairs. Obviously our output is not a string, it's a variable, so I'll get rid of the quotation marks here. And now we should get our key value pairs, and we do. But you know what, let me add a line break here. Looks a little bit better. So we've got them all, bananas to grapes, with the values, which are the numbers in most cases, and the peers and the key value pair 4. If I change that from entries to dot keys, I only get the keys. Bananas, oranges, apples 15, and grapes. And I can also just return the values by using the values method. So now we get 12, 24, 50 peers, and 574. So these are the three main iterator methods for maps. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.